Okay, so good evening, guys, all of you, and we are going to learn about
Excuse me,
the
sir.
yeah, please.
Sir, I have a doubt. So I was facing some issues yesterday at the end of the class. So I was unable to know what you were teaching. So I was wanting the recording from everyone at the group admin.
I'll share it, guys. Right? Yeah, from yesterday, like I was just completely busy, so that I was unable to share it. But I'll share it, guys. Right? Definitely, code including recording. Right?
सो बट आज जो आप समझाएंगे वो थोड़ा डाउटेबल रह जाएगा मेरे लिए फिर
नहीं रह जाएगा. Everything will be from scratch today also. Right?
ओके ओके
Okay, just go with this, go with flow. You will get everything, because every day class will be new, topic will be new, concept will be new, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so we have this NPX
Sir,
React. Huh? Yeah, Arpan.
good evening, sir. Actually, I don't know, sir, what is NPX. NPX, what you are telling?
कुछ भी नहीं है. NPX सिर्फ एक कमांड है. आप जब भी नोड को इंस्टॉल करोगे ना, तो आपके लिए नोड के साथ
नोड इंस्टॉल्ड है सर.
npm एंड npx दोनों साथ में आएंगे. आप एक बार रन करके देखो. npx create react app, create react app, and my app name, मेरी एप्लीकेशन का नेम क्या होना चाहिए, right? What is my app name? So npx create react app, and suppose for example user profile profile. या मेक श्योर आपकी ऐप का नेम कभी भी, आपकी ऐप के नेम में कभी भी कैपिटल लेटर नहीं होगा. You have to use only lowercase in your app name or in your project name. So as you can see, I'm just going to run this command npx create react app. I'm just telling to my machine that please create a react app for me only, and the application name is user profile. Now let's see, let's have a look on folder or folder structure, what we have inside my folder. Just a minute, guys. I'm just going to sliding down. On desktop we have one workshop, and in one workshop we have this user profile, one folder. We not created this, guys. If you can see this, we not created this folder user profile. My command is going to create this command, and this command also going to create lot of things inside my inside this folder. Right now we have this only one file, but just beta minute, when it will complete, everything will be in your hand. राइट. सो अभी हम समझते हैं थोड़ा सा रिएक्ट जेएस काम कैसे करता है. हमें यदि एक बार ये समझ में आ गया कि रिएक्ट जेएस कैसे काम कर रहा है, you all guys can make it possible to develop your own application easily, right? So we are going to learn, or we are going to understand how react js work. Okay, let's see. हम ऐसे समझते हैं like we have this plain box. ठीक है. लाइक आप ऐसे समझो, मेरे पास एक एप्लीकेशन है. ठीक है, ये मेरे पास एक, आप ऐसे मानो एक ब्राउजर का एक वेब एप्लीकेशन है. ठीक है, एक कंप्लीट ब्राउजर है मेरे पास. ठीक है, समझिएगा इस बात को. ठीक है, या इसको हम लोग एक काम करते हैं साथ में. Just a minute, guys. I'm looking for the browser. Where is my browser? No, guys, it's your basic terminal, right? It's not a command prompt of Node.js.
Sorry to interrupt again, sir, but what are the topics today we are going to learn, sir?
Sorry?
What are the topics today we are going to learn?
Only one topic. React.js.
React.js.
React.js, right? React.js
It's also including web designing only.
Without React.js, like I can say, you can't be a full stack developer. यदि आपका प्लान है एक फुल स्टैक डेवलपर बनने का, आपको React.js आनी ही चाहिए. इट्स मस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज इफ यू वांट टू बी अ वेब डेवलपर. गेट योर पॉइंट?
मुझे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा आप जो भी बोल रहे हैं, इसलिए मेरे को, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ क्या हो रहा है.
अच्छा, मतलब समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो छोड़ दूं, ऐसा करने का बोल रहा हूँ मुझे कि सर
नहीं, कभी छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए सर. कुछ समझना नहीं है तो छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, उसे समझना चाहिए. इसलिए मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि मतलब आप कर क्या रहे हैं, वही मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
हाँ, मैं समझा. जस्ट थोड़ा सा एक बार फ्लो में आने दो. ठीक है, हम एक बार चीजें कनेक्ट कर ले, फिर आपको समझ में आ पाएगा बहुत कुछ. ठीक है ना? अभी
मतलब एक्चुअली आपने इतने दिन तक नोटपैड में, सॉरी मतलब VS कोड में किया था, सब टर्मिनल सब कुछ कर रहे थे। अभी मतलब कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा मेरे को इसलिए।
अभी तो मैं ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ गाइस, मैं यहाँ पे कोई कोड नहीं लिखने वाला हूँ, ऑब्वियसली मैं यहाँ कोई कोड नहीं लिखूंगा, ठीक है। मैं एक आपको एक कॉन्सेप्ट समझाने के लिए एक ड्राइंग कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, आप ऐसा समझो, ठीक है। सो वी विल जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि रिएक्ट जेएस कैसे काम करता है। समझ पा रहे हो क्या अर्पण? थोड़ा सा ट्राई करें, और जब भी प्रॉब्लम
यस
होगा
सर, यस सर।
आई एम हियर,
ओके
राइट, सो डोंट वरी। अभी हम
ओके
जस्ट
सर,
थोड़ा सा एक
थैंक
बार
यू।
कॉन्सेप्ट समझते हैं, ठीक है, फिर हम लोग वर्क करेंगे आगे, है ना, प्रोग्रामिंग पर भी, ठीक है। तो अब ये समझो सभी लोग, हम लोगों ने अभी तक आज की डेट तक, ठीक है, या कल तक, ठीक है, वी लर्न अबाउट द बेसिक HTML, जो आप सभी को आता था, लाइक एटलीस्ट 80% को तो आता ही था, ठीक है। वी लर्न अबाउट द जावास्क्रिप्ट, बेसिक जावास्क्रिप्ट हमने सीखा, है ना, हाउ योर डायनामिक स्ट्रिंग वर्क, हाउ योर console.log वर्क, हाउ योर array वर्क, हाउ योर मैप फंक्शन वर्क, sorry, how your map method work, how your normal function work, how your arrow function work, and how your objects work, right? How your objects dot keys work, right? And how your follow work, right? All the details we learned about it. After that, we tried to create some project, one project. Just a minute. Just yeah. After that, we created one project, right, with the help of complete JavaScript, right? Rarely we used HTML, CSS, but mostly we use JavaScript, right? Because and what we learned in our last class, like yesterday, right? We learned about how to fetch data from the APIs. We didn't learn that how to create your own APIs, but we learned how to fetch the data from APIs. Get a point, guys? It's very easy. Whatever we discussed in last class. What we are going to learn today, main concept is, today we are not going to learn any new concept. We are going to learn React JS, or we can say we are going to learn a new pattern to develop the same application, right? React JS is most important thing. If you are planning to be a web developer, but if you're planning to be a full stack web developer, you have to know React JS. If you know the React JS completely, you can be earn more than your expectation right now. If you have a good understanding about the React JS, believe me guys, you can get a good job even more than your expectation, right? But you have to be the master in the particular field. 1 crore, not no one will give you, ज्यादा हो गया, yeah, 1 crore ज्यादा हो गया, है ना? Y2 भी ज्यादा हो रहा है संजय, है ना? 50 लाख रुपए तो ज्यादा हो रहा है। Yeah, not 1 crore guys, not 1 crore, but I don't know what is your expectation, right? What is your expectation? But as a fresher, yeah, I can understand expectation is too high, guys. Like when we are learning, when we are doing our engineering from this great university, then definitely expectation will be again high, right? With my experience, and if you can prove this experience also, like I have a 6 year of experience, right, in development and training both, but I can prove it. Why? Because MNC companies wants a job proof. MNC companies don't want as a like entrepreneur proof, or as a CEO proof, right? So as I'm the director of the company, so I can prove it that I worked somewhere. But yeah, I'm working from the last 6 years. So but if you have the same experience, you can get around 15 LPA to 25 LPA with my expectation, or like with my experience, right? With React JS only, not all, right? But if you are a fresher right now, as you are fresher, no, we are not from LPU. How is my luck? Not like that, right? So I'm not was the lucky like you that I belong from the LPU, right? But I'm still lucky that I got from the college where I don't have to join the classes. Honestly, right? I'm just from the college. I don't have to join the classes, so I can just do my work, right? Whatever I want to do, right? So I'm from MP first of all, and Bhopal, MP Bhopal, and my college was like RGPB, right? RGPB, right? Uh, Yeah, like who's telling? Kishore telling me that, sir, we also want to join the same college, right? Yeah, Sanjay, I'm not affected right now in COVID, right? Okay, so don't worry. But it was not the good, it was not the bad. When I joined, I decided to be the part of the particular college. Like the college name is Bansal Institute of Technology, right? Yeah, BIRT or something like this. So when I joined, on the time the college was the top engineering college in MP. But I don't know, I was the luck for the college or bad luck for the college. When I joined the college on the same year, director left the college. And after that, we got the new director, and he was very rude, and he just worked like a school, that he was teaching the student like a school students, right? So I don't know, I was a lucky for the college or bad luck for the college, but yeah, that was the thing. But yeah, I still try to join the college, but I feel that, and I don't know, like how your college is going to teach and all, right? But I'm just telling you about me, my college, that my college was just teaching like a school books, that learn these books, learn this topic, and rarely they care about the technology. They mostly care about the theory. So the learning of the theory, I was enough capable to like break my exam, or to just crack my or to pass in my exam, right? To learning by 1 week or 10 days, right? And my aim was not to be a gold medalist in the university. That's why I was just try to be less, or to be rarely present in the college, and mostly present in some companies to work on the project. So that was like my thinking, but I don't know how your college work. But yeah, as I know, LPU is a good ranking college in India, if I'm right? And most of the thing you all guys can explain about your college, as I can explain about my college, right? Okay, fine. So let's come to the point, guys. That was the enough discussion about my college, Anna. Okay, so what we are doing here, but yeah, I can just tell you one thing, guys. uh, After doing your engineering, and after like as a fresher, if you have a good understanding about the Node.js and React.js, you can get like a good package. I don't know what is your what is the maximum package from your university, right? But if you try like with your efforts, not with your college efforts, right, with your efforts, you can get at least 8 to 10 LPA package at the starting as a fresher, right? Okay. So, and but if your college can provide, then 4 lakh yesterday placement drive of my unit. And these are the basic package, guys, right? 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakhs. These are the basic packages like college provide, right? If a college is providing more than 10 LPA, then you can say that you have a good placement cell in your college. Yeah. Otherwise, these are the basic placement we have. Capgemini. Capgemini is a good company. Like Capgemini, the profit of this company is Capgemini, TCS, and Cognizant, and some more companies. Then there is a very less pressure. Like you don't have to, you will not pressurize that do work, and do work. Like it's like they work as a government companies, a government organized, government institutes, right? Or government offices. Do it. That's it. Okay, guys. So it's enough. Now, no more discussion about the company's college, salary, package, and all. Now, just jump for that topic. So what we are doing here, we are going to learn today like React.js. React.js is like, as we all know, most important thing, but we are going to learn how React.js work, how React.js is going to work and going to play the role in the front end development. Okay. Yeah, definitely, Ramesh. Like if you all guys plan to some guidance for the learning strategies for the job purpose, you will plan, but not right now, right? Okay. So now what happened, guys? We have this page. We have this beautiful page, right? You can see, you can just do the imagination that yeah, this red box is a very beautiful page you have, right? Now in this page, what's happening here? We have 5 different sections. One section is my header, guys. One section is my header. Second section is my sidebar. This is my sidebar. And this is my main panel. This is my main section. And inside this main section, guys, good news is we have one section here. one section here, right? And we have some one section here. One section. Okay, this is my beautiful back page, right? So beautiful. Now, if I just give you the task, guys, how many sections we have in this complete page? Can you give me the answer, guys? How many sections we have in this beautiful page? Someone says 8. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3. This combined 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great. 8 sections we have. Now, just switch the name. It means just assume we are not talking about section, this section called component. In terms of React.js, this section called component. So now if I just ask you guys, how many component we have? So you can say, sir, 8 component we have. And the complete back page is a combination of 8 components. Get it point? Now, abhi React.js kaise kaam karega? How React.js is going to work and really going to play the important role in the web development. Like, what happened, guys? Ye mere complete website hai. Like, we have this complete website, right? And what happens here? In this complete website, we have 8 sections. So one section is this, one component is this, second component is this, third, fourth component is these, right? We have some components, right? अभी होगा क्या? आप यदि एक बस component as to the components right. So now what's happening here? Like if we have these 8 components inside a complete package or complete web page, so and complete web page is also one component, one major or one like most important component we have. So now what's happening here? So for example, how I explain, I'm just going to explain you guys why by practical thing, right? Okay. Okay. Like for example, I'm just going to visit Instagram. Suppose, right? And I hope it's not visible to all of you. Okay, now, so we are here. Now, if you guys can see this, if you can see this, we have this page. We have this page. So, for example, if I just visit for my messages, not now, likes. Suppose, now let's see. We have this one component here, guys. Can you understand? We have this component. Now, what's happening here? If you can see on the top, we have this URL, instagram.com/direct/inbox, like this, like this, like this, right? If I want just follow for some account, so for example, job to hire, I want just follow this account. Now we have this. What I have to do, follow back. If I click on this, can you see this? Individual component is going to update only if I just unfollow. Now you guys can see this. The particular component is going to update. The complete page is not going to update. When you just click on the follow back, the individual component, this component is going to update, remain things the same. Your page is not going to refresh, nothing happening here, right? So how it's working? This is also developed with the React.js. The front end is developed with the React.js. Now let's see. We have these number of components here. You all guys can see we have these number of components. If I'm going to delete this component only, then this component is going to take effect, not all. Now you guys can see this. Only this component is going to take effect. Not all component is going to take effect. Can you see this, guys? So this is all about, you can say this is all about my one component. So now let's see, let's jump. Okay, so we have this design again back. So now if this component will change, only this component will take effect. Not all the component will refresh and will change and all, right? So you don't have to refresh your page again and again. You have to just take care about the individual component, nothing else, right? So this is the main work. Yeah, okay, fine. So now let's see. Okay, so now what we are doing here, we are just going to implement the same concept in our React.js projects. So let's start with the project, and time by time you will understand that how it's going to work and how we can play the role, right? Okay, so now what I'm doing here, I'm just going to clear all the drawings. I'm going to open this project in my Visual Studio Code. Where is my VS Code? Oh, I have to open VS Code. We have this VS Code and we have this project. So I'm just going to drag this project from here to paste this project here. So now guys, you all guys can see this, that we are getting this, a complete project open into my VS Code. You all guys can see this. We have this multiple things, complete project, node modules we have, public we have, src we have, git ignore we have, package log.json we have, package.json we have, readme.js, right, v.md we have, right? So a lot of things we have guys in this folder. Now for what we have to care, so first we have to care about the app.js. Just leave everything whatever we have in this folder, don't care about it, right? Just care about only app.js file. So this is the complete code we have, the React.js code, right? But definitely we can't understand right now and we don't know how it works. So I'm just going to delete it, even just wait a minute before deleting it, right? What I'm doing here, I'm just going to open my terminal. हम लोग terminal को open करते हैं. आपकी current location आपका folder का होना चाहिए. It means आपकी current location या आपका current directory वो होनी चाहिए जहां पर आपका package.json file exist करता हो. आपकी करंट लोकेशन कभी भी एसआरसी फोल्डर नहीं हो सकती, पब्लिक फोल्डर नहीं हो सकती, नोड मॉड्यूल फोल्डर नहीं हो सकता. योर करंट लोकेशन शुड बी द फोल्डर और शुड बी द लोकेशन वेयर योर package.json file exists. What is this package.json? We will discuss in coming section, not right now, but right now our focus is to discuss about the project, how it will work, how it will start. And you guys can see this, you are getting this much of code pre-created, and I know that you all guys are not getting the point how it's working and all. So don't worry, don't take don't care about it. We will just discuss about everything. So now what I'm doing here, how to start this project. यदि मुझे इस project को start करना है, right, and I want to see how it's going to work, then we will see. Yeah, the all files and code is just created by the single node command, npx create react app and all. Yeah, command name is npx create react app and your app name. That's it. Can you find? Now what I'm doing here, I would start this project, how to work. Now let's see, you are going to develop your first own web application, npm start, which is just running on your browser locally and on cloud. Starting the development server, and you all guys see this beautiful project here. This project is live in our website, localhost 3000. And if you visit this URL in your mobile phone, you will get this page. Get this page in your mobile phone. So it's live on the particular IP address, and it's live on your localhost also. So both the possibilities you have, right? So this is all about the React project. You created directly. There is no error. There is no problem. But you all guys can see this. So guys, till this point, everything is clear. Anyone have any doubt till this point? Please let me know. Otherwise, we will jump for the next topic.
So here, should both the device be connected to the same Wi-Fi?
Yeah, both the devices should have to be connected or should be the same Wi-Fi. Definitely. It means if I send this IP address to you, you can't access it. Right? Okay. रीजन इज बिकॉज इट्स नॉट लाइव राइट नाउ। हम लोग लर्न करेंगे, हम लोग यदि हमारे लिए प्रॉपर इनफ टाइम रहता है, हम लोग ये कंप्लीट प्रोजेक्ट बनाने के बाद ये भी लर्न करेंगे कि like you can say how to deploy a project. Get your point, guys? Okay, so चलिए, like next point is simple आपको सिर्फ एक ही कमांड रन करनी है यदि आपको प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करना है। बहुत सिंपल है, npm, हम सभी को मालूम है राइट, npm, एंड आपकी कमांड है start, npm start. When you run this command, your project will start like this. You can see it's going to refresh your page and you are getting your project. Where to run this? On the terminal, right? On your project terminal where your package.json file exists, right? On the terminal, not on the node terminal, guys, on your project terminal. सभी के लिए बात क्लियर हो पा रही है? आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द आंसर इन यस या नो। सभी के लिए क्लियर हो पा रहा है कैसे रिएक्ट का प्रोजेक्ट बना है, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रन द रिएक्ट प्रोजेक्ट एंड हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रन द सर्वर? इज इट क्लियर फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस? Yes or no? Just tell me yes, yeah, no.
Hi. Could you explain the whole process again? This I did not get the whole this project you made. So
Okay. Let's close it, guys. Let's close it. Now, आपका करंट फोल्डर क्या है गाइस? सभी को मालूम है करंट फोल्डर क्या है हमारे पास? मर्न वर्कशॉप है ना, क्योंकि हम सारी चीजें कहां डेवलप कर रहे हैं? मर्न वर्कशॉप डेवलप कर रहे हैं। सो व्हाट इज माय करंट फोल्डर? करंट फोल्डर इज मर्न WS. नाउ व्हाट आई वांट टू एग्जीक्यूट राइट नाउ, मुझे एक रिएक्ट जेएस का प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट करना है। दो पॉसिबिलिटी है गाइस। इफ यू आर एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन, as right now we are not, right? But if we are experienced person, आप बिना कमांड के खुद से भी पूरा का पूरा प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट कर सकते हो। But as we are beginner, so as we are beginner, we have to find some shortcuts where we can just get the complete working project without applying too much of effort, right? Okay, so now how we can do this? तो हमने जब भी नोड इंस्टॉल किया था, आपने जब भी नोड इंस्टॉल किया, आपके लिए दो चीजें मिली साथ में। यू हैव टू थिंग्स like connected or like parallelly with your node, and one thing is npm as I'm telling you, and second one is npx, x for your react project or react native project, and npm for your node project. When you are planning to work with node.js, you will use npm. When you are planning to create a React.js or React Native project for mobile application, you will use npx. I hope it's clear for everyone. So now, यदि मुझे एक React.js का project clear करना है, just a minute. Yeah, if we are planning to create a new React.js project, how we will do this? npx create React app. Simple. सभी के लिए clear हो पा रहा होगा ना? कितना easy है? npx create react app. आपको सिर्फ ये कमांड रन करनी है, to execute this command and just follow with your app name. So my app. Simple. आप जैसे ही enter कमांड प्रेस करोगे, आपका complete react app create हो जाएगा। Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Anyone have any doubt till this point? Please let me know. सभी के लिए clear हो पा रहा है कि हम लोग
where you are writing this code?
terminal on my command prompt. Anywhere you can write.
Okay.
My command prompt location is my
Okay,
main
sir.
workflow folder. Yeah. Okay. Guys, this is my command prompt, right? Yeah. In Linux, you will get the same command prompt. Okay. So I hope, yeah, Pawan, it's a command prompt. So now, what we are doing here, we are creating the React app. But as we know that we already created. अब मैं क्या करूँगा? हम लोग अपना virtual Visual Studio open करेंगे. Where we have Visual Studio Code, we have this Visual Studio Code, and हमारा प्रोजेक्ट कहाँ पर है? डेस्कटॉप पर है. So we'll just jump for the desktop, and डेस्कटॉप में कहाँ पर है हमारे पास? Mern workshop folder के अंदर, and inside the Mern workshop folder, where is my folder? Project user profile folder भी है. तो हम इस प्रोजेक्ट को ओपन कर लेंगे. Open this like this. Great. आप जैसे इसे ओपन करोगे, आपके पास एक कंप्लीटली लुक लाइक दिस आपका एक प्रोजेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर ओपन हो जाएगा, जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट, द मस्ट और मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फाइल वी हैव इन द होल प्रोजेक्ट इज ओनली वन, एंड द फाइल नेम इज app.js. गेट योर पॉइंट गाइस? सभी क्लियर हो पा रहा है? ओके, सो नाउ हमें जैसे ही प्रोजेक्ट मिलता है हम क्या करेंगे नेक्स्ट, अपना टर्मिनल ओपन करेंगे एज यूजुअल वी आर या वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू ओपन द टर्मिनल। हम जैसे ही टर्मिनल को ओपन करेंगे, what we will get, we'll just run the one command npm start. Remember this command guys, everywhere we have to use this command npm start for your react.js code also, for your node.js project also, for your react native mobile application project also. आपको सिर्फ ये दो वर्ड्स याद रखने हैं, npm start। आपने जैसे इसको एग्जीक्यूट किया, यदि आपके प्रोजेक्ट में कोई भी एरर नहीं है, if there is no error in your whole project, you will get this output for you only. Get a point? सभी के लिए क्लियर हो पा रहा है क्या ये कैसे काम कर रहा है? बहुत ज्यादा टफ तो नहीं लग रहा है किसी के लिए भी? जस्ट टेल मी गाइस ऑनेस्टली, ऐसा तो नहीं हो रहा ना जैसे कल मैंने देखा बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट का फीडबैक फॉर्म था, एवरीथिंग वाज क्लियर बट जस्ट आउट ऑफ द माइंड। तो अभी हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं बहुत इजीली रन करने का, है ना? यदि आपको कोई भी एरर आ रहा है गाइस तो सिर्फ एक ही रीजन हो सकता है, और वो रीजन है आपके पाथ की लोकेशन, या फिर आपने नोड को प्रॉपरली इंस्टॉल नहीं किया है। या पवन, ये खुद ब खुद आपको ब्राउजर पे डायरेक्टली फॉरवर्ड कर देगा, आपको खुद कुछ भी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं। यू डोंट हैव टू राइट अ सिंगल वर्ड ऑन योर ब्राउजर, इट विल डू एवरीथिंग व्हाटएवर यू वांट। सभी के लिए यहां तक क्लियर हो पा रहा है क्या? किसी के लिए भी कोई भी डाउट?
मुझे I'm not able to understand quite a few things here because I missed yesterday's class. I had a class till 1. I contacted everyone on WhatsApp, but no one replied.
For what? For what, Adit?
So for the class yesterday, I couldn't appear because I had a class from 1. I had a webinar.
कोई नहीं Adit,
So
whatever we learned in the last class,
contacted them
there is
for the
no
recording.
relation.
No one sent. Nobody will.
Fine. Like it can happen, Adit. Like maybe like I maybe not. I was busy completely. It's 100% sure. And maybe some other persons or like coordinator will be busy. That's why they not reply. No problem. So point is, whatever we are learning today, there is no relation from the last class. If you all was unavailable in the last class, there is no relation right now. We are learning the fresh new code. Is it clear for all? Right? Okay, great. Now, next point. Just a minute. Okay, guys. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, guys. So what we are doing here? Yeah. So next thing is अभी हम लोग learn करते हैं. Like we are just going to start the development part right now, right? Till this point, I believe that everything is clear for everyone. अभी क्या करते हैं? हमें कुछ भी नहीं मालूम है how it's going to work. ये कोड किसी के लिए भी नहीं मालूम है like how it's going to work. अब जब नहीं मालूम है so why it's here? Delete it cleanly, right? We will start the code completely. Yeah, please.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. I'm getting your voice. Tell me.
हाँ सर, आपने जो कोड लिखा है सर, ये नेक्स्ट क्रिएट रिएक्ट ऐप जो है, शुरू में जो कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट में जो लिखना था सर, क्या सर उसको मतलब कि इंटर करने के बाद क्या जो आपने फोल्डर का जो बनाया है, फोल्डर जो बनाया है app.js, क्या ये ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएट हो जाता है? इतना जो कोड है सर ऑटोमेटिकली राइट हो जाता है अपने?
नहीं, सब कुछ ऑटोमेटिक हो रहा है. लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज योर नेम, बट या सब कुछ क्रिएट हो रहा है प्रॉपर्ली.
अच्छा सर, ऐसा नहीं है ना मतलब कि
अभी तक मैंने सिंगल कैरेक्टर भी नहीं लिखा हुआ है पूरे कोड में, राइट? एक वर्ड भी नहीं लिखा. ये कोड अभी आप लोगों को देख के समझ में आ भी नहीं रहा होगा क्या लिखा हुआ है ना, क्योंकि मैंने लिखा भी नहीं है ना. इट्स जस्ट ऑटोमेटिकली जनरेटेड. गेट योर पॉइंट? ठीक है, अभी हम लोग कंटिन्यू करें. ओके फाइन, दैट्स ग्रेट. सो नाउ हम क्या करते हैं, इसको डिलीट कर देते हैं. जिस कोड के बारे में नॉलेज नहीं उसको रखने का कोई सेंस नहीं. ठीक है, सो जस्ट डिलीट इट. हम लोग कंप्लीटली स्क्रैच से रन करेंगे. गेट इट पॉइंट? हम लोग कंप्लीट कोड, अभी यदि आप इसको सेव करोगे ना, आपने इसको जैसे सेव किया आपको पेज पर एरर मिलने लगेगा लाइक दिस। कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है, बहुत बड़ा एरर है ना। हमें अभी इतना टाइम ही नहीं कि हम इसको समझे राइट नाउ, ठीक है ना। जस्ट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड, आपको कभी भी रेड अलर्ट मिल रहा है, इट मींस यू आर डूइंग सम मिस्टेक, आप देख सकते हो, ठीक है, बिकॉज वी नॉट क्रिएटेड। तो अब हम लोग बिल्कुल बेसिक से स्टार्ट करते हैं डेवलपमेंट करना रिएक्ट कंपोनेंट को, ठीक है ना। तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले हमें लिखना है इंपोर्ट। Import means like what we are doing here, we are going to import React from React. मेरे प्रोजेक्ट को कैसे मालूम चलेगा कि ये जो कंप्लीट फाइल है app.js नाम की फाइल है, ये आपका प्लेन जावास्क्रिप्ट नहीं है, रिएक्ट जेएस का कोड है, रिएक्ट जावास्क्रिप्ट का कोड है। मेरे प्रोजेक्ट को कैसे मालूम चलेगा? हाउ माय प्रोजेक्ट विल नो अबाउट इट दैट द पर्टिकुलर फाइल इज नॉट अ प्लेन जावास्क्रिप्ट फाइल, द पर्टिकुलर फाइल इज नॉट अ माय node.js फाइल, द पर्टिकुलर फाइल इज नॉट माय angular.js फाइल, द पर्टिकुलर फाइल इज माय react.js फाइल। How my project will know about it? One possibility we have, हम लोग लिखेंगे import react, import react from inverted comma react. Simple. आपने जैसे ही इस लाइन को लिखा, जैसे आपने इस लाइन को लिखा, only one thing is happening here, there is no output, there is no input, nothing else, only एक ही चीज होने वाली है, वो है आपकी आपके प्रोजेक्ट को ये मालूम चलेगा कि दिस फाइल इज नॉट नोड, नॉट सिंपल जेएस, दिस फाइल इज रिएक्ट जेएस फाइल। गेट अ पॉइंट? गेट अ पॉइंट? ओके, नाउ दैट्स इट। नाउ आफ्टर दैट मुझे क्या करना है, एक फंक्शन बनाना। क्या बोल रहा है मेरा एरर? बोल रहा है कि आपके पास कोई भी ऐप नेम का फंक्शन है ही नहीं। तो नाउ कैसे बनाएंगे हम लोग? सिंपल, हम सभी के लिए व्हाट वी कैन से,
Hello, sir.
या
So your voice is not getting.
everyone, I hope everyone is getting my voice, right? If anyone is not,
audible, sir, audible. It's fine, sir.
okay, thank you guys. Like if anyone is not getting, please or if anyone is facing any error in my voice, just please disconnect yourself and connect yourself again. It will work, right? Okay.
Sir, one more concern.
Adit,
Are we supposed to install any modules, any
कुछ भी
packages
इंस्टॉल नहीं
before?
करना है आदित्य, आपके लिए कुछ भी इंस्टॉल नहीं करना। आप यदि नोड इंस्टॉल कर लिया, सब कुछ आपके नोड के साथ आ गया।
Okay.
Everything is just installed inside your Node.js. Nothing you have to install from your end, right? Till this point. ठीक है? Okay. अभी समझते हैं। हम सभी के लिए just tell me guys, yes या no. Do you know how to create arrow function in JavaScript? Do you know about it? Yes या no? By or n? Most of you know, right? I think one student don't know about it, but everyone know. Okay, yeah, Sanjay, if you don't know, I'm just going to write here. You will know about it, right? Okay. Const मेरे फंक्शन का नेम क्या होना चाहिए गाइस? क्या बोल रहा है मेरा प्रोजेक्ट? बोल रहा है कि मुझे कोई भी ऐप नेम का फंक्शन नहीं मिल रहा है। तो मैं क्या बोलूंगा मेरी मशीन से? ओके, मैं एक क्रिएट कर देता हूँ फंक्शन, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, आई एम हियर, आई एम द डेवलपर। नाउ अभी आप देखोगे आपको एक ऐप नेम का फंक्शन क्रिएट कर दिया, मगर लेकिन just right now problem is this app function is created here. मेरे कंप्लीट React.js प्रोजेक्ट को ये कैसे मालूम चलेगा कि ऐप नेम का कोई फंक्शन इस फाइल में एग्जिस्ट भी करता है? How my complete project will know about it that app.js or app or like the function, the like React function we have with app name, with name of app, right? So simple, very simple, three magical universally word we have. You can say three magical word we have in JavaScript. It can be Node, it can be Angular, it can be React, it can be React Native, it can be React 360. Whatever framework you are going to use, only three magical word we have, and they will play the most important role. And the three magical word is export default app. That's it. Now you can say, guys, your error is gone. You are not facing any error. And if you refresh the page, you are getting this error, but your server is still working. Now, what's the problem? This says, आप यदि इस error को थोड़ा सा पढ़ो तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? ये आपको error बता रहा है कि you have a error inside the app function और app component. अब से हम React.js की टर्म में कभी भी function नहीं बोलेंगे, हम क्या बोलेंगे? Component. Okay, right. Now your app component. So nothing was returned from render. This usually means a written statement is missing or to render nothing written null. समझते हैं इस बात को. The function says कि आप app function से app component से कुछ भी रिटर्न नहीं कर रहे हो. ओके सो नाउ अभी मैं क्या करना है, कैसे मेरा प्रोजेक्ट रन करेगा. गाइज, वन मैजिकल वर्ड इनसाइड योर कंपोनेंट कैन रिजॉल्व योर दिस एरर. एक मैजिकल वर्ड आपकी सारी एरर सॉल्व कर सकता है, एंड द वर्ड इज रिटर्न. रिटर्न, एंड मुझे रिटर्न क्या करना है, मुझे रिटर्न करना है एक h1 टैग के अंदर I love React.js. That's great. Now have a look at this. I love React.js. मुझे कंटेंट मेरे फ्रंट एंड पर मिल पा रहा है. Is it interesting? सभी के लिए क्लियर हो पा रहा है? हम एक बार फिर से क्रिएट करें क्या? सब हम फिर से एक बार क्रिएट करते हैं, ठीक है. Now we are just going to create once again. Now सबसे पहले क्या करना है मुझे करना है import oh typo error. Import React from क्या लिखूंगा मैं यहाँ पर REACT React, राइट. ठीक है. यदि मैं कहीं भी गलत लिखता हूं, राइट, यू विल इन्फॉर्म मी, है ना, बिकॉज intentionally I'm just going to write some errors here, right? So let's see who are going to inform me, right? Okay, now const app equals to, right? Okay, I'm just doing something, okay? So just please tell me, like, if any error, just please let me know, guys, right? Okay. Okay, someone says sir आप कैपिटल ए लिख लीजिए. Okay, मुझे कोई और ही बता रहा है. Oh, Gurpreet says, Ramesh says, and Vanu says, and multiple listeners are just going to give me the one answer. Sir आपने arrow function गलत लिखा हुआ है. Oh guys, it's amazing. Now अभी और मुझे बताते जाइएगा, है ना. Is there any other mistake? I hope you all guys can give me the answer. ओके अभी तो ओके चलो, इसमें एक बहुत अच्छा एरर है. कैन यू गिव मी द आंसर?
सर अभी चाहे सेंड यू, इज देयर एनी एरर इन दिस?
सॉरी
सर मैंने आपको एक कोड भेजी, इसमें कोई एरर है क्या?
नहीं, कोई एरर नहीं है.
इसमें एरर दिखा रहा है वहां पे, मतलब इंपोर्ट लाइन पे एरर दिखा रहा है.
एक मिनट React from React from React. आपको इंपोर्ट नहीं दिखा रहा होगा, आपने एक्सपोर्ट नहीं लगाया ना, इसलिए दिखा रहा होगा, है ना, यहाँ पर. ठीक है, कोई और बताएगा मुझे मैं कहाँ गलती कर रहा हूँ अभी? Like I am facing some problem. Semicolon is not the issue. Sanjay says and Sadhu says use the curly bracket. Ramesh says okay fine. I'm getting a one error and I feel कि मुझे कुछ अच्छा error देना चाहिए, है ना, तभी आप मुझे बोल रहे हो सर प्लीज राइट द गुड एरर. ओके सो नाउ वी हैव दिस. नाउ अभी और क्या बाकी है? Like what I'm just missing here. If I just refresh this, I'm getting this error. Now read this error and tell me who will give me the answer why I'm getting this error. Amazing guys, amazing. I love that you are learning here. Export default. I love React.js. Wow, amazing. So this is my basic React component we created here. सभी के लिए I believe that सभी के लिए यहाँ तक ही clear होगा. किसी के लिए भी कोई problem guys? Anyone have any issue till this point? I believe no issue. And now you all guys can see or you all guys can see that yeah, you can create your first React component. और ये आपने एक React का पहला component create किया, component name is app. I'm not doing anything. मैंने एक बार इसको run कर दिया, npm start, then whatever you will change, even if you change here and if you save here, now you don't have to refresh the page. Your data will change automatically. Live server we have, right? So whenever you change the content, your content will change automatically. You don't have to care about it, that what I'm writing and will it reflect on the browser or not. Now you can see, I'm just going to delete this, save this, my browser will take effect. Save this, browser will take effect. So this is all about my content. Oh, sorry. Get your point, guys? I hope.
So,
yeah.
Sir, actually I have written export default tab also, but I actually forgot to copy it. But though it's showing React from React, syntax error, cannot use import statement outside a module.
Just can you copy the complete code from the app.js and paste in chat box?
Yes, just a sec.
Pawan, where you are asking the same question, I think, multiple times.
See, sir.
Yeah. Now you can see our one instance says you have semicolon, but there's not a problem. You applied the semicolon everywhere, perfect. And yeah, there's a problem. There's a problem in your code.
Return there, sir. Return in there. I applied brackets. Is that the error?
You're in the return. You are using semicolon here. That's why you're getting the error. Here, this is semicolon. Just remove this.
Okay. Then semicolon is not required there.
Semicolon is not required there when you are using return with parenthesis.
Okay, sir.
Try it. Here, it's compulsory and not compulsory. It doesn't matter like this. Is it working right now? Okay, fine. So now let's jump. Yeah.
So it's showing same now. The same error it's showing now. Oh, it's showing same. And my node is also perfectly installed. That's why it worked yesterday.
The server is working or not? The server is working or not?
Everything is working, but I don't know here. Sir, will I copy the error?
Arpan. I'm just going to make you the co-host. Please share your screen instantly. So I'm just going to see this, and all of you guys also just going to see the Arpan screen and just.
So from where we need to share, sir?
On your Zoom,
got it.
you will get news here. On the news here, click on it, stop my share, and start your sharing. Just do this fast because we have.
Visible, sir?
Yeah, Arpan has started the code, and yeah, I'm getting your.
I created this file in basic JS folder. And
Arpan, what are you doing? Is it the right pattern? Why you not created the complete project? If you not created the complete project, how it will work?
Means, sir?
Is it your complete project, Arpan? Like what we are discussing since the starting time? You have to run this command. npx create react app user profile. When you run this command, or user profile can be your project name, any name you can choose here. Whenever you execute this,
means at first I need to open that npx.
You have to open this, and then you have to open the app.js file and write the code. Okay. Okay, fine. It's simple, right? Okay. Okay, so guys, all of you.
Sir, can you repeat the same thing what you have told to him, Arpan?
Nothing simple. Like I don't know why आप लोग क्यों टफ लग रहा है. बहुत easy. आप समझो ना, कुछ भी नहीं करना आपको सिंपल सी कमांड रन करनी है. है ना। एंड द कमांड नेम इज, आप किसी भी लोकेशन पे कर सकते हो। मान लो आपने सीडी किया, आप मेन लोकेशन पे सी ड्राइव पर पहुंच गए आप यहाँ से, ठीक है, सी ड्राइव पर हो आप लोग, ठीक है। नाउ रन द कमांड। मुझे सी ड्राइव पे नहीं करना, मुझे डेस्कटॉप पे करना है। डेस्कटॉप पर भी नहीं करना है, मुझे करना है मन वर्कशॉप के अंदर। मैं क्या करूंगा, मन वर्कशॉप के अंदर आ गया, ठीक है। यहाँ पे आने के बाद मैंने क्या कमांड लिखा, npx create react app, then your app name। आपका ऐप नेम कुछ भी हो सकता है, आपका नेम कुछ भी, लाइक वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट और प्रेफर यू कैन। सो npx create react app name, you have this। hello guys, are you getting my?
Yes, sir. Getting actually, sir. Actually, I don't know how this much in laptops and everything. I don't know even how to open this tab to write this code. npx create react app.
अच्छा, ये टैब नहीं है, देखो ये टैब नहीं है, ठीक है, ये मेरा कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट है। आप सभी लैपटॉप में कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट आता है, इतना मालूम है ना आपके लिए, लाइक यू यूज्ड इट।
I never used it, sir. Sorry, but I never used
ओके, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड अर्पण, है ना। इट्स जस्ट वी आर द लाइक राइट नाउ वी आर यूजिंग इट, राइट। सो यू हैव योर ओन लैपटॉप,
it. Yes, my own laptop, sir. But
राइट।
I never used it.
जस्ट ओके, डू दिस, जस्ट प्रेस द विंडो की, आप विंडो की को प्रेस करो, ठीक है। प्रेस किया, आपको एक पॉपअप आ रहा होगा, ठीक है। ओके, डू वन थिंग, हम लोग एक बार ये भी ट्रायल ले लेते हैं ना। जस्ट अर्पण प्लीज शेयर योर स्क्रीन अगेन, है ना।
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Pawan, it's shortcut, but I think shortcut will not explain the fundamentals, right? Or the like the basic procedure. Yeah, share screen. So जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स को प्रॉब्लम आ रही है ना, हम लोग विंडोज लैपटॉप में करके देख रहे हैं, सेम चीज, ठीक है ना। So let's see. Yeah,
So visible, sir?
screen. Yeah, just close your VS Code. आप अपना VS Code
visible?
Yeah, it's visible. VS Code को close करो
Close, sir.
instantly. VS Code को
Close
complete
कर दिया, sir.
अच्छा, मुझे अभी दिखा नहीं है।
Arpan, share your full screen.
Yeah, Arpan, share your screen and click on the desktop। आप फिर से क्लिक करो शेयर स्क्रीन पर, है ना।
Desktop. Yes, sir.
डेस्कटॉप पे क्लिक करो एंड अभी फिर से शेयर करो।
Sir, visible now?
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, you are a so coding person, right? Okay, now good, that's good। Okay, so now अभी एक काम करो, विंडो की को प्रेस करो जल्दी से।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, अभी लिखो CMD, कहीं पर भी लिखो CMD, डजंट मैटर, सिर्फ CMD टाइप करना, प्रेस करो, ठीक है। यहीं पे सर्च करके कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। CMD, हाँ CM, आगे कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट, इस पे
Yes,
ओपन
sir.
पे क्लिक करो, ओपन पे क्लिक करो। ओके,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, विंडो ये आ गया, ठीक है। ओके, अब ये काम करो, जहां कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट लिखा ना उसको थोड़ा सा जूम करो, नहीं जूम मत करो, कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट लिखा ना। ओके ओके, गुड, इट्स गोइंग टू जूम, या फाइन। नाउ अभी एक काम करो, अभी लिखो CD स्टैंड फॉर चेंज डायरेक्टरी, ठीक है। प्रेस मत करो, सिर्फ CD लिखो, CD,
Yes, sir. CD.
ठीक है, स्पेस एंड आई थिंक डेस्कटॉप, DESK, टैप करो, टैप को प्रेस करो,
Desktop, sir.
एंटर करो, ठीक है। अभी देखो आपकी लोकेशन क्या हो गई, डेस्कटॉप
हो गई।
अभी एक काम करो, अभी एक लिखो, एक काम करो, अभी हम कमांड से नहीं करेंगे, हम डेस्कटॉप पर जा रहे हैं। एक फोल्डर क्रिएट करो, डेस्कटॉप पर राइट क्लिक करो, एक फोल्डर क्रिएट करो, राइट क्लिक करके जल्दी से जस्ट क्रिएट अ वन फोल्डर, न्यू फोल्डर नेम इज मन वर्कशॉप, MERNWS, ठीक है। चलो छोड़ दो, लीव इट, ठीक है, हो जान दो गलत, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ठीक है। अभी लिखो CD, टर्मिनल पर आओ, हाँ यहाँ पर लिखो CD स्पेस, मुझे किस फोल्डर में जाना है यार, पर क्या मतलब मुझे बता सकते हो, लाइक कैन यू टेल मी?
MERNWS.
ओके, सो लिखो MER एंड टैप करो, टैप को प्रेस करो, इट विल गिव यू, या टैप, या इट विल गिव यू द कंप्लीट नेम, है ना।
Yes, sir.
ओके, नाउ क्लिक एंटर। ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट, यू आर हियर। नाउ अभी लिखो NODE, नोड लिखो, एंटर करो।
Oh.
ओके ग्रेट, नाउ कंट्रोल D प्रेस करो, कंट्रोल को होल्ड करो, D को प्रेस करो, ग्रेट। नाउ लिखो CLS स्टैंड फॉर क्लियर द स्क्रीन, अपनी स्क्रीन को क्लियर कर रहे हो, CLS, क्लियर लिखो, या ग्रेट। नाउ अभी लिखो NPX, नाउ जस्ट राइट NPX, हाँ, नाउ स्पेस क्रिएट hyphen, no it's not hyphen, yeah, create react app hyphen react hyphen app, not app, direct app, right? Create hyphen, या स्पेस नहीं होना चाहिए, रिएक्ट के को, रिएक्ट और ऐप के बीच में स्पेस आ रहा है, स्पेस नहीं होना चाहिए, डिलीट करो कंप्लीटली, हाँ वहां भी डिलीट करो। नाउ ऐप स्पेस, अभी आपको जो भी नेम देना, मुझे अर्पण देना नहीं, मेरी आपका नेम अर्पण होना चाहिए, लिखो ARPAN अर्पण। गुड, क्लिक एंटर। या नाउ अभी जितने भी स्टूडेंट, लिखना कुछ मत करना, जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स ने फर्स्ट टाइम क्रिएट रिएक्ट ऐप यूज करेंगे, यदि आपका नोट प्रॉपर्ली इंस्टॉल है, इट विल आस्क यू द फर्स्ट टाइम नीड टू इंस्टॉल द फॉलोइंग पैकेज। वो बोल रहा है कि मेरे नोड के अंदर क्रिएट रिएक्ट ऐप नेम का पैकेज नहीं है, डू यू वांट टू प्रोसीड दिस? प्रेस बाई को प्रेस करो एंड क्लिक एंटर। Now that's great. Now it will install your create react app package, then it will create your react app. अब देखो वो create हो गया and now it's going to create your project.
Now, sir.
Now you have to do nothing. Everything will just going to execute by your project. सभी के लिए बात क्लियर है क्या? सभी के लिए क्लियर हुआ ना कि हमने कैसे प्रोसीजर किया? कंप्लीट प्रोसीजर हमने देखा है विंडोज लैपटॉप में भी, है ना?
सर,
हाँ
सर नोड के बाद क्या टाइप करना था और नोड को एंटर करने के बाद?
अच्छा, कंट्रोल डी डी फॉर दिल्ली। या ठीक है, तो आपने जैसे फिर एक कमांड लिखा ना npx create react app and अर्पण, सब लोग अर्पण मत लिखना, ठीक है ना? हाँ, सब लोग अपना नेम लिखना, या जो भी आपको ऐप का नेम देना हो वही लिखना, ठीक है ना? ओके
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
ओके राइट। तो अभी एक मिनट रुक जाओ, मैं सबको, जब हम लोग सब देख ही रहे तो जैसे एक बार इसका पूरा प्रोसेस देख लें, बिकॉज आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि सम आप में से कुछ को डाउट हो रहा होगा, प्रॉब्लम आ रही होगी। So I was unable to show you the whole process on Windows, but now we get it, right? The solution. Can we create APK from this? No. React.js में एक बहुत अच्छा, बहुत like very interesting topic है guys, React.js के अंदर, like the interesting topic is progressive web app. प्रोग्रेसिव वेब ऐप क्या करते हैं? आपको आपकी डिवाइस में उस ऐप को इंस्टॉल करने की पॉसिबिलिटी देते हैं एज अ वेब फॉर्मेट। आपने बनाया तो वेब एप्लीकेशन है, लेकिन वो किसी भी डिवाइस में इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा। Like you created like a web application, but your web application can be installed in every device, in any device. It can be a mobile phone, it can be your desktop, it can be your any system, right? And that's called progressive web app, PWA. Progressive web app. Nice. Okay. So Arpan, please just stop the sharing. So otherwise, I'm just going to say, don't worry about it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. So guys, I hope and I believe that it's clear for everyone. No one have any doubt right now, right? अभी सभी के लिए clear है? Right now it's clear.
Sir, after that process will be done, then that app will, then that total folder will be created, right?
You have to open your project in your Visual Studio Code. You will get the structure look like this. Open your SRC folder. Inside this, you will get app.js file and just play with it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I believe this point is clear and no one will ask me, sir, how to create the project, how to open it, how to run it, and everything is good, fine, right? Okay. Now next jump. अभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं? This is my main component. Now if I just give you the task, आप एक component click करो, the component name should be button. आप एक button का component create करो, ठीक है? And the functioning of this component should be like whenever you click this button, alert will be there. And alert will be, hey Pratik, not hey Pratik, it can be your name, it can be something different, it can be something else, but it should be alert, right? There will be alert, there will be one unique or magical alert. How we can do this? हम क्या करते हैं, इस फाइल को भी डिलीट कर देते हैं, समझिएगा, डिलीट मतलब क्लोज कर देते हैं, ठीक है? आफ्टर सेविंग दिस फाइल, क्लोज कर दी हमने फाइल को। SRC फोल्डर के अंदर, if I just explain you, inside this SRC folder हम एक फोल्डर क्रिएट करेंगे। inside this folder we are just going to create a one folder. तो अब इसके अंदर कैसे क्रिएट होगा? हो सकता है आप इसके like बाहर क्रिएट कर दो, like you can create the outside of folder, but no, I don't want it. I want create a new folder inside this SRC folder only. How we can do this? First select your SRC folder. आप SRC folder को select करो, then click on this icon, folder icon. When you click on this folder icon, it will give you the pop-up. आपको फोल्डर का नेम क्या रखना है? Anything. You can choose the folder name according to you. I'm going to choose the folder name components. Components, components. I'm just going to choose this folder components. अभी right now what is my plan, inside this components folder मुझे एक different component create करना है. The component name will be button component, right? Okay, so new file, and component की file का name आप कुछ भी दे सकते हो. Doesn't matter what the name you are going to assign to your file. I'm just going to assign the file name is button.js. That's it. Now minimize it a little bit. Okay, now what I'm doing here, make it small. Okay, I hope you all guys can see this little bit size, right? Okay, now that's it. Perfect arrangement of our content, right? Okay, now what I'm doing here, guys, I'm just going to import React from React. It's compulsory thing, we all guys know. आपको यदि किसी भी फाइल को as a behave कराना है as a React file, you have to write this code. Import React from React. Now आपके कंपोनेंट का नेम कुछ हो तो आपको एक फंक्शन बनाना है. Const मेरे कंपोनेंट का नेम है, सपोज माय कंपोनेंट नेम इज my button. This is my component name. This is my component name. ठीक है. And now what I want create a one div tag, and inside this div tag I want create a one button tag, and inside the button what I want click me. Wow, amazing, click me. So I'm creating this button, but now are you getting this my button component here? Are you getting this component here in this page? Can you see this, guys? Are you getting this click me button here? No, we are not getting. Why we are not getting? Like your app.js file have no idea about your button.js component. Your app.js file have no idea about your button.js component. How we can do this? First, we have to export it. How we can export? We all know three magical word: export default my button. Simple. If you are going to export, and if I'm just going to refresh the page, am I getting this button here? क्या हम सभी के लिए यहाँ पर ये बटन मिल पा रहा है? Are we getting this button? No, we are not getting this button. Why we are not getting this button? The reason is you are going to export this button, but in your app.js file, are you going to import the same component, same button? No. हम यदि किसी भी component को कहीं से export करते हैं, तो someone have to import. ऐसा नहीं होगा ना कि India is going to export something. Suppose, for example, sugar, right? But the other country is not going to import. So do they use it? Definitely not, right? Okay. So how we can do this? If we are going to export, if one component is going to export something, another component have to import it, and not a user important. Suppose, for example, India is going to export some component, some particle, something from India, right? Suppose, for example, rice, right? But other country is going to import this thing, but not going to distribute in the public. Is it useful? The public can say that India, like the particular country, is going to import something from the India, and India is going to export something from it. No. So now, what we can do this? We have to import it. Import. मुझे क्या import करना? मेरे component का name क्या है? मुझे इस component की name से मतलब है. मेरे component का name क्या है? What is the component name? What I'm exporting from here? If you are going to export sugar, then other country will not import rice, right? It means if I'm exporting my button, it means other country will import my button. So now I will import my button. But if India is going to export something, definitely other country will import from India. So from where? From my component folder. So from my component means .components /, and from the same directory. From the same directory, we have the components folder, and inside this component folder, we have one file name is button. Now, you guys can see this. Import my button from .component button. It means India is going to export something, other country is going to import something, but right now, the public have no idea about it. The reason is because the my button is not going to use somewhere. You have to use it inside your return. If you are not going to use it inside your return, it will not useful. It will not visible to others. So कैसे हम करेंगे? How we can do this? Apart from using the one line of code, just use the parenthesis, use the div tag compulsory, and inside this div tag paste this. and inside it, call your component as a tag. Amazing guys, call your component as a tag. आपने जो भी component बनाया उसको हम कैसे कॉल कर रहे हैं? As a tag कॉल कर रहे हैं, सेल्फ क्लोजिंग टैग गाइस। कभी भी आपका कोई भी कंपोनेंट जब तक आपने उसको खुद नहीं बनाया, लाइक योर कंपोनेंट शुड नॉट बी योर क्लोजिंग कंपोनेंट. Your component will not work like this. Your component will work always as a self closing tag, like this. Why it will work as a self closing tag? Reason is because you created it like this. Yeah, so this is all about, now save it and refresh this page. My button. Oh yeah, we have to return this guys. This is my bad, we are not returning. Every component have to return something. Now you all guys can see this. I love React.js and we have this click me button. Now abhi kya hoga? You don't have to play with app.js file. You have to play with only button.js file. Now you want click me should be login. And now you're not getting any effect on the browser. Abhi tak koi effect nahi mil raha hai. Just save it. You can see your page is not going to refresh, but content is going to change. And that's the point where React.js came into picture. That's the point where we are using React.js, because React.js is playing a most important role right now. We have this login, right? So this is all about the whole concept we have here, right? How's it guys? What do you feel? Is it fine guys? We have this h1 tag. I love React. We have this my button component. We are using this my button, and this my button component is from here, right? And we created this div tag. Inside this div tag, we are just returning this button component with login. We have this login button, and now we are getting this component here. Guys, is it clear? किसी के लिए भी कोई भी डाउट यहाँ तक अभी? Anyone have any doubt at this point?
Sir, I'm not getting a login button.
Okay. Simple guys, what I'm doing here, inside this src folder, I have a one app.js file, right? Inside app.js file, what I'm doing here, just if I just delete this, we have this code. Guys, is it clear? We have this code. Now, I created a one folder components. Inside this component, I created one file, button.js file. And inside this button.js file, I created a whole component. And component policy is your component name should be capital letter. It starts should be capital. It should not be small. It should be start from the capital always. If you start with a small letter, it will not work. Believe me about it. You can try. So your component will start from the capital letter. Arrow function you have. Inside this arrow function, you have to return something, and what you are going to return, you are going to return this content. So you have a one div, one universal div. Inside this div, you have a button tag, and button tag is going to work with login. Now we have just export the default my button, and when you are going to do this, when you are going to export this button, jump on the app.js, and when you are going to export something, you have to import my button from / of components / button. That's it. But you can say you have this component, but it's not going to reflect by the return. Reason is because you are not using it. How we can use it? Simple. Open your arrow bracket or angle bracket, paste the button name and close it by self closing tag. You will get this component. Login button. You are here. Is it clear, guys? Now anyone have any doubt how we are bytes dot slash? Because देखिए ना, आपका app.js फाइल कहां पर है? On the same location. And आपका component.js फाइल कहां पर है? On the same folder where you have app.js file, on the same component, on the same folder, you have the component folder. You have to write dot stand for current location.
डॉट लगाना चाहिए ना?
Compulsory है, Pawan. Without dot, it will not work. Right? So dot is stand for current location, and from the current location, we have slash components folder, then button file. Simple. Not JS. You don't have to write button.js. You don't have to write button.js. No, only button you have to write, because my component, this library will let
So पॉइंट को थोड़ा क्लियर करें, डॉट क्या काम करता है?
Dot is my current directory. Dot shows current directory, present directory. From the present location, you are going to jump into the components folder. That's why we have dot.
So thank you.
Welcome. So is it clear, guys? सभी
Yes, sir.
clear है क्या? या जतिन?
सर ये क्या कहते हैं, अगर मैं स्मॉल एम लिखूं कैपिटल एम की जगह तो सर वो काम क्यों नहीं करेगा?
बिकॉज आपका रिएक्ट कंपोनेंट हमेशा कैपिटल कैरेक्टर कैपिटल लेटर से ही स्टार्ट होना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई.
ओके सर.
है ना?
ओके सर.
आपका यदि
Okay.
स्मॉल कंपोनेंट होगा तो वो रिएक्ट कंपोनेंट की तरह नहीं, नॉर्मल कंपोनेंट की तरह वर्क करेगा.
ओके सर.
सो सभी के लिए क्लियर है गाइस? किसी के लिए भी कोई भी डाउट इस पॉइंट तक? Just tell me guys, yes or no? On the terminal, simple. आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है, npm start लिखना है. Everything will work fine. npm start. That's it. Guys, now just tell me, is it clear or not? Yes or no?
So please your buttons code.
Yes, sir. हेलो सर. सर वो npm स्टार्ट लिखने पे हो नहीं रहा है सर. एरर बता रहा है.
आपकी लोकेशन गलत है. एक बार लोकेशन चेक करो. आपके npm की स्टार्ट की लोकेशन वही होनी चाहिए जहां पे आपका package.json फाइल है. Get my point? Guys, what about
Yes,
others?
sir.
I'm getting only 3 answers. Only 3 students are just saying me that yes. What about others? Is it clear or not?
Actually, sir, what you taught is completely clear, sir, but getting error, that's the problem.
What error you are getting?
Actually, my location in my path is also good, sir. Its path is completely fine. Desktop, everything is fine, and it's showing same that import it's error it's showing. But my path is also, I hope so. But I didn't write yet npm. Actually, I'm writing it, but it means when I click on the start of running na sir, that time it's shown error, but now I'm writing that npm. So I don't know after that what it will show.
Just try with it, right? Okay, warnings. Okay, fine, no problem. If it compiled and it's just going to give you some output on the browser, that's fine. On the warning terms and all these things we will discuss tomorrow.
So we need to write npm space start, right?
Yeah, npm is still start.
Sir, sorry sir, but will you please look it again why I am getting error? Actually,
yeah, please share your screen now. And like, let's see who will solve the error. Like Arpan is going to share the screen.
so is my screen visible?
I don't know. I am not trying to see anything. No, it's
No.
not visible for me. Please share it again.
Nothing is visible, sir.
Please share it. You are not going to share. I am sharing my screen right now. Just share your screen with the option of share, new share. Yeah, now you are going to share.
Sir,
Okay.
I hope so it worked now.
Yeah, it's visible little bit. Okay. And now who will solve this error?
Sir, is my Edge screen is visible to you?
Yeah, your Visual Studio Code screen is visible to me.
And one Edge, my Edge open and it's showing localhost 3000.
No, it's working fine. Varpan, where is the error? Now, just do one thing. Just hold your
Just few
control.
seconds back, actually it's showing error. Now I don't know what happened.
I think that's the magic, right? That's my magic of
Yeah, maybe,
my
sir.
watching thing, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, just click on control, hold your control key. Control key को
Yes,
hold
sir.
करो और
Yes.
अपनी कर्सर को लोकल के आगे जो आपका लोकल होस्ट लिखा है उस पर लेकर आओ, नीचे टर्मिनल पे लाओ, टर्मिनल पे लाओ,
यहाँ पे?
टर्मिनल पर, है ना? एंड क्लिक ऑन द लोकल होस्ट 3000 यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, देखो नीचे.
So it's visible? मैंने select कर लिया सर.
नहीं, उसे क्लिक करो, आपका ब्राउजर ओपन हो जाएगा.
ओ, आपको मेरा ब्राउजर नहीं दिख रहा है सर.
क्योंकि हमने VS Code ओपन किया हुआ है.
Okay.
Just share your desktop.
Yes, sir. Now visible?
And now it's working?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Sir, what should we do after that, sir? I've just landed
no.
up till there.
After that, what you have to do? After that, what you have to do? I don't know about it. You know about everything, right? So I believe you all guys can manage it. Simple. Create the code.
Like how to get this displayed? Like I love React.js, so I'm not able to get this white screen, get the page loaded.
You have to write the code, Arpan. Like you have to see that you are working on it. Just I modify my app.js file.
I'm not talking, sir. It's me, Arpan. I'm not asking anything.
Okay.
It's Aditya. I asked.
Oh, Aditya. Sorry, Aditya. Yeah, tell me. Just a minute, Aditya. I'm not getting the participant list. Yeah, Aditya, now tell me.
Yeah, it is just showing me that the React app edit src/app.js and save to reload. So I'm not able to get this web page displayed.
Aditya, देखो.
I tried running.
Aditya, let's see here. What you are getting here because आपका जो app.js का code है ना, your app.js code is I don't know, will it move or not? Yeah, your app.js code is look like this. Am I right, Aditya?
No, sir.
Is it added src app.js?
Yeah, the screen looks like this on the browser, but the code is not this one, sir.
Code is look like this. Code is look like this. Your code is look like this, right?
No, sir. So I just wrote what you wrote right now.
So you have to save your file then.
Okay.
Save your file, then it will definitely reflect. Otherwise, how you are going?
But VS Code saves it automatically, right? To save like what?
Just share your screen. So I'll have a look, right?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just going to make you co-host. Now you are also the co-host. Now you can make it.
Got it. Is it visible? Yes, sir.
Right.
I'm just seeing this screen constantly.
Okay.
And this is my code here for app.js.
App.js, no?
Yes, sir.
Adit,
am I missing
what
something?
are you doing here? Adit, you not created your project. Where you created your project?
Sir, I did that create
project, right? That's why it's running, right?
Yeah, I did all that.
No, but this app.js file you created by your own, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's why you have to yeah, this is your app.
Okay.
And inside this is your app, you have this src folder, and inside this src folder you have this app.js file, and just edit it.
Okay, sir. I think I should copy this entire thing there.
This thing and your button.js code also, right? So
Okay,
just
sir.
modify it, right? Okay, I hope it will work for you.
So I should just replace all of this, sir?
Yeah, you can delete this, no problem.
Okay, sir. And I should also take this button.js code also into this, right?
No problem, Adit. You can do this, right?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay, fine, guys.
Stop this share.
Okay, so guys, I hope you got the point how this component is working and all, right? So, but for now it's enough. We are not going to work too much on these things, right? But tomorrow we have a class, right, where we will create a complete beautiful front end designing with complete React.js only, right? Why my button is still self-closing tag? Because you are not passing anything from inside this component, right? That's why my button is self-closing tag.
सर वन डाउट इज दैट रिएक्ट में हमें HTML पेज नहीं बनाना पड़ता, वो ऑटोमेटिकली कोडिंग में जैसे यहाँ पे div tag हम यूज कर रहे हैं डायरेक्टली वर्क करता है।
HTML कोड नहीं लिखने पड़ते हैं ना आपको, मतलब लिखना HTMल कोड ही है लेकिन रिएक्ट कंपोनेंट के अंदर लिखना है।
ओके सर।
You can add, Pawan, whatever you want. I know that you all guys are the master in front end, so you all guys can do this, right? Okay, so fine, it's good for today, guys, right? Styling thing in React and everything we will just add tomorrow, not right now, in the next class. But just make sure, guys, you do the enough practice for this. And I don't want in in tomorrow class that you will ask me, sir, how is component is going to import, how this component is not going to work, and all, right? Do the practice, guys, according to you multiple times. If you're not getting the thing, go for the YouTube, search for it, React.js tutorial. You will get a lot of amazing tutorials on YouTube. Just go for it, search for it, and learn for it.
सर इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग आज ही शेयर कर दो।
आज ही शेयर कर दूंगा गाइस, आज मैं डेफिनेटली सोने के पहले शेयर कर दूंगा सभी के साथ, ठीक है ना, on Google Drive, right? So you will definitely get by tomorrow morning anyhow, right?
सर दोनों भी कर देना सर, पिछले दिन की भी।
क्या हुआ?
पिछले वाले दिन की भी कर देना सर।
कोड भी शेयर कर दूंगा, है ना?
कोड भी और सर रिकॉर्डिंग से कल वाली भी नहीं आई सर।
कल वाली भी कर दूंगा guys. Like whatever content I have till today, I'll share everything with you, all of you guys, right?
Yes sir.
Okay.
So should we leave the meeting, sir?
क्या हुआ? You all guys,
should we leave the meeting?
No, you don't have to leave. I'm going to end. So it will be end for everyone, right? Okay. So fine, guys. Thanks to be here. Bye bye. Have a good night. See you tomorrow, right? On the same time.
Sir, please upload yesterday's recording to Drive link.
Yeah, guys.
Classes.
Definitely, I'll upload yesterday class recordings, yesterday class code, today's class recording, today's class code, and whatever I have, I'll share it with all of you guys, right?
Please, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome Adit, and welcome all of you guys, and thank you so much to be here. Bye bye. Have a good day. Yeah, and guys, just please leave your precious feedback, right? Any suggestions, any comments, any guidance. I'll really welcome all of your suggestions and all, right? Okay, please. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Have a yeah.
Sir, also share Drive link on WhatsApp group.
Drive link is on the group description. If you are the part of the group, you can just go for the description. You will get the Drive link, right?
Sir, show button.js once. I'll take screenshots.
Sorry?
So please show button.js code on your VS Code thing. I want to take screenshots.
Okay, just take it now.
Got it.
Got it? Okay, fine, guys. Bye bye. Have a good night. Yeah.
Sir, I want to ask one question. Sir, does React.js has its own CSS?
Actually, React.js has own CSS pattern. CSS is the same, right? But it has its own CSS pattern. The writing pattern is different by normal CSS, right? We will learn about it tomorrow, right? Tomorrow morning or tomorrow class, right?
एक चीज में हेल्प चाहिए।
हाँ
सर, वो जो हमने सर्विस स्टार्ट करी थी npm से, जो लाइव सर्विस स्टार्ट किया था सर, उसे स्टॉप कैसे करें? और ना
कंट्रोल सी
बट सर वो तो टर्मिनल से हट गया है।
क्या हुआ?
टर्मिनल से तो वो हट गया ना अब।
तो फाइनल आप जैसे ही विजुअल स्टूडियो क्लोज करोगे ना, वो खुद ब खुद क्लोज हो जाएगा।
ओके सर।